today we will be reviewing this cute little baby unicorn, Barbie brand. And you want to hear her talk? That's her drink. That's when she eats her ice cream that's in here. And watch when I press her hand. She sees. So let's get her out of here. Let's take this off of her stethoscope. Her stethoscope is kind of like that. And we'll pull her out here. Oh, her wings are stuck in there. Silly me. Get her wing now. No. Oh, that's okay. This is supposed to be like that sometimes. So I think that's so you can get her out here. So let's get her out to here. Sometimes I'm on this wood with her.
Mommy will get the zip ties.
And look how cute she is. Oh, what's cool about this? I think you can put her in here and then close this up and she won't fall out, guys. Please let me show you. Look how cute she is! She came with a bottle of diamond design. See on up here. And I named her Crystal because she has a lot of stuff that are crystal. And look at her band-aid. It actually fits her. Oh, and it says Barbie. Oh, and let me turn this. Oh, let me show you the other language her Barbie friend can speak. The language her Barbie friend can speak.
Hi, it's Barbie. My unicorn friend isn't feeling too well. Uh-oh. I think she has a cold. Check her heartbeat with my stethoscope. Give her a treat. What a good patient.
That isn't here. Ice cream.
Oh, I think she's thirsty.
Oh, she's thirsty.
Here's a water bottle. Let's give her a drink. Sprinkle some sparkle dust to make her feel better. Wow, you're going to be a fabulous Dreamtopia doctor.
And that's all of it, guys. Oh, and that's almost all of it. But this is the ice cream. I love that. And look at her stethoscope. It has like diamond design on it. It's pretty. Like, look at this, guys. Like, she could be Elsa's friend. Because she's got so many crystal stuff. And she came with a little shot, which I am really mad about.
You don't want to give her a shot.
I don't even use the shot. And look how cute. The back has a rainbow thing on here. And let's put her in here and see what we can do with that rainbow and see if she actually does fit all the way in there with the rainbow over her head. Let's put her in here. Sit her right down in here. Oh, if I can. She's stuck. She can't get in. Uh-oh. Let's put her foot in there. And her other foot in there. Her wings in here. Where is her? Oh, there's her wing. I thought she lost the wing there. Her wings are super big on her, but she's so small. And you can put her feet in there. Oh, everything's rolling everywhere. Mom, can you help me? Everything's just rolling everywhere. Just push her down in there. And you can put this rainbow. Oh, you can put it over her. So she won't fall out. So she can't fall out, you can put this over her. Maybe. If I can. Uh-oh, she's trying to eat me. She's trying to eat me. I think so. Maybe, I don't know, guys. I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. Okay, it worked. And look at these straps. Violet, green, yellow, pink. These are rainbow straps. Same for this one. Violet, green, yellow, pink. when you want to take her out, you can just open up this. But I don't think it's a good idea to close it up. You can just put this on top of her and look. Take her out of this bag here. And we'll take her wing out. Wing out. And you can bounce out. And fly out. Really cute.
You gave her a shot in her horn? Well, bandaged up.
She's really hungry. Oh, she's thirsty. Drink! Let's check her heartbeat. She said goodbye. It sounds like a neighing heartbeat. Oh, and you can actually store these right in the little bag that's right in here, which I really love. Right in this little bag right here. See, it's all empty and you can put stuff in there. And look how big her wings are. You can actually flap her wings. Go like this and she can flap them. Bye guys! Time for unicorn to spray happiness to your life. Bye you fans! The unicorn kit said bye!